My name is Bridget Pickering, and I'm a producer based in Johannesburg. When I left the African continent for the first time at the age of 14, it was the first time that I saw my country and my continent from an outside perspective. And the first time I was confronted with the idea that Africa was problematic. It was seen as impenetrable, inaccessible, lacking the tools to compete in a modern world, the dark continent. And because of that, addressing this falsehood became the primary influence in the kind of work that I wanted to do. Africa has suffered from oversimplification, even using the name collectively as though it's one continent, one people, and one culture, when in fact it is a continent of 1.3 billion people, 54 countries, and over 2,000 living languages and cultures. So Asylum on the surface is a story that inverses the relationship between North and South, between Africa and the West. And yes, it does ask the provocative question of what would happen if the dynamics of power that have governed the first and third worlds were to change suddenly in an instant. I think the question we raise can be more complex. How can we re-see? How can we reset the future? How do we propose a new world, a new kind of civilization, a second chance for the world? And why not Africa designing that future? There is an opportunity for the next narrative in the modern world to be claimed by Africans who can design this future in their own image and voice. And since much of storytelling is based on myth, recreation, and reinvention, the notion of Africans redesigning this new future is both thrilling and compelling. We live in a world where media and story has the power to transform and rewrite the story. Asylum imagines this future by putting the knowledge of the world firmly in the hands of its protagonist, a young female African, Amandla.